Last month I made a tabletop review on the Forward Vise. It was the CR408 4.5 inch vise. I showed everyone what it was like unbolted. Now that I have it bolted, I'm going to show everyone the versatility of it. But I do want to show everyone how much versatility you have on this and how much it will move around. It has plenty of room to move it any way you want, and you can lock it down. I bolted it down with 2 pieces of aluminum plate because, as I said, it's not going to get heavy use. But what I want to do is take the vise jaws that they sent me, protect your gun, and I am going to put a Glock slide in here. I want to show everyone how secure it will make this slide. I'm going to take the back plate off, use my little Leverman mutt, and we'll show you how easy it is to do this. Push that little piece back, push this one up. It's that simple. Now you can take your striker assembly out and make sure it's clean. You do not want any oil on it. And one thing I like to do is just make sure it's good and clean in here. And of course, I keep my firearms immaculately clean. But you can take that out. You can take this little plunger pin out also. Make sure it's clean too. But the thing about doing it with this, you don't have to take your extractor and everything out to do it. Make sure everything's fine, inspected. Put it back in. Then when you get ready to put your slide back, get it, got my light on, get it in the position you need. You can push that back, push your little plunger. Then it slides down in place. Sometimes an extra hand is worth more than you can imagine. But we're going to take it out now. You can see everything's intact. Also, I'll put this back together so everyone can see everything is functioning. And I still have a little sore thumb here. And as everyone can see, and this is clear and it's pointed down. Now we're going to have a few final words on this vise. Now I believe everyone will see this is a very sufficient vise for working on firearms, knives, and guns. And more if you want to do that. I can't say enough about these people, how nice they are. They sent this out for review, and I sent them the video and asked them how they liked it. And now we're sending 3 more products. So be looking for them in the future. Go to their website. They got a ton of vices. Find the ones that fit your needs. Go to their Facebook page and like them. Go to Bearded Sharpener Facebook page and like them. Subscribe to this channel. Share it with all your friends. Hit the notification bell while you're at it. and we'll see you next time.